Okay, welcome to our second session of learning about Pygame. And today we're going to get straight to it so that you have plenty of time to work on this stuff. But basically, what I'm going to walk you through today is the process of modifying a game, reusing some of the game mechanics, but changing them in enough of a way that it looks and feels like a completely different game. And so this is a possible approach. I'm not saying you have to use this approach, but it is a possible approach for completing this assignment. So starting with the very, very basic, the most basic example that we looked at last time was this little game with the jet and the missiles where I can fly the jet around and I try to dodge the missiles, and nothing really ever changes. It doesn't get any more difficult. It doesn't really do anything. So I started thinking about the game because it's super boring to start with, but I started thinking about what are some things that I could do to make the game a little more interesting. And I thought, well, it would be a little bit more interesting if the missiles were a little bit more intelligent, right? Instead of flying straight ahead. So I did this pilot with just this one missile here, and I started thinking about, okay, how can I make this thing follow me? And I thought, well, obviously it needs to rotate in the direction it's flying, but that could be interesting. But I don't know if I want all of them to do that. So the next thing I did, and I turned off collisions, obviously. The next thing I did is I thought, okay, well, let's take that concept and let's integrate it back with the original here. And so this one incorporates that, but also gives the missiles a slightly different look and feel, so you can tell which ones are going to be particularly annoying for you. And these just chase you forever until you give up, basically. So that's a slight modification to the game, right? And also, along the way, what I did add was this idea of difficulty. And so you can see every time a missile goes off the edge of the stage, not only do I kill that sprite, but I add 1 point to my score. Now, what you'll see if you are paying close attention is that as my score increases, the speed of the missiles increases. And so I'm using that event where it leaves the right side of the screen to add to the score. And then I'm using the score as a multiplier for the speed of the missile. So it's all connected, but this will just get progressively more and more difficult. And finally, I will perish because it will be too hard to dodge the missiles.